fast as I can.
I know you are. Okay. Hey, John, I've got more than one case here.
It's just four. They're all gonna be CC altogether. It's
We're gonna do 4 cases.
They're all state jail, so you can do them all
all
one
one
time.
time. Same. It's all from the same date, 4 children, same charge. So I didn't know I got moved to a different date and everything worked out, ready to go.
We now call 4 cases 25 CR 549, 550, 551, and 552. Each of these are styled the state of Texas versus Kenesha Biggs. And the defendant is charged in each of these cases with the state jail felonies of abandoning or endangering of a child. And of course, you see the name of it here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words in the name of it. But those 8 words can apply to several different types of conduct under abandoning or endangering of a child. And I think each of these are similar in circumstances. Does the defendant waive formal readings of these? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
And we'll take them collectively, if that's okay?
That would be best, Your Honor.
In summary, ma'am, each of these, and you are Kenesha Biggs, and you were here with John West, your attorney in the States.
Yes.
In each of these cases, these indictments similarly allege that on or about January 24th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felonies of while you had custody, care, and control of children, 4 children, one in each of these cases, a different one in each of these cases, younger than 15 years of age. You intentionally abandoned the children in a place under circumstances that exposed them to unreasonable risk of harm, namely leaving them in a motel room without adult supervision for an extended period of time, and then extended period of time, and you left town. And you did not voluntarily deliver the child to a designated emergency infant care provider as provided by the Texas Family Code under section 262 3.302. That all results in you being charged with these 4 state jail felonies, one for each of these children who were younger than 15 years of age, and your children, correct?
Yeah.
Do you understand what you're charged with in each of these cases?
Yeah.
These are state jail felonies, which mean you in each of these cases face, if convicted, no less than 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed for each case. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
An agreement has been reached where you would be pleading guilty and placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation up to 5 years on each of these cases to run concurrently. Is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes.
There will be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. And also the court. I don't know what happened.
It's me.
Just there we go. Look at this. I don't know what the heck happened. It just black. It went black.
Oh, yeah,
It did to me, so.
yeah.
I was doing dismissal earlier, and just I was gonna sign it, it disappeared. And we could.
That's so just happened, yeah.
You would be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 5 years length in each of these cases. Is there a fine?
No.
And are there any other special terms that are agreed upon by the parties?
No, Your Honor, not that I could see. Yes.
There will be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. Do you understand? Is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow these agreements, same kind in each of these cases, you have no right of appeal of your cases. Do you understand?
Yeah.
How do you plead in each of these state jail felonies? Guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 in each of these cases. Did you sign those documents voluntarily, understand them, discuss them with your attorney?
Yes.
Are the contents all true and correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
No objection.
Without objection admitted. The state you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God.
Yes.
States Exhibit 1 in each of these cases made a part of the record.
Yes.
Pre-sentence report waived.
Yes, please.
I'm going to follow these agreements, if nothing further, and find you are pleading guilty voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1.
Yes.
Admitted here to, in each of these cases, to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But instead, the court is going to defer any finding of guilt and place you on deferred or unadjudicated probation in each of these cases for 5 years. There will be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. Make sure you follow these terms and conditions. If you fail, your probation can be revoked. You can be found guilty and then sentenced up to 2 years in the state jail, which are felonies for each of these cases. Also, I'm going to ask the probation office if we can send a message to them. I want a post-sentencing
Yes, sir.
review on what other conditions of probation we should add, which are more in the way of education requirements for parenting classes. There's a parent, we've used this in the past, and it helps people be reminded of the importance of their responsibilities as a parent. And we're talking about young children here. So I want the probation office to research if there are any other conditions of probation that would be in the best interest of the children and also in the best interest of this defendant so she can satisfactorily complete probation without it being revoked and her being found guilty and then sentenced to 2 years on each of these cases. Okay. Let's move on and do well. Anything else?
Not much.
All right, that is all. Please see. Well,
Where
you're
we
going to be
get started?
ordered to go over to the
Oh, just go
probation
there?
office, and what we'll do is call ahead and alert them, okay? Thanks.
We've already alerted them.
Right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Could you alert them about additional
Yeah.
matters that might be in the best interest of the children? All right, have you ever been
On the jury there.
your session
They go to church, receive it.
on